A blind stitch is a sewing technique that hides the thread. Here's how you do it. First, thread your needle and make a knot. Fold in the edges on both sides and pin it in place. Just like before, I'm using a super-sized version of a needle and thread, so you can see my movements clearly. This is how it looks like super-sized when folded in. You'll get two mountains like this. Let's call this Mountain A and Mountain B. First, pierce your needle in and out of Mountain A to start your stitching. Then, cross over to pierce Mountain B and exit a finger width apart. Repeat the same movement by piercing the opposite mountain. Keep going until you reach the end. Every now and then, give it a light pull to shut the gaps. Once you reach the end, make a knot. Then, pierce it one last time and exit at the bottom. Cut the thread and it will be hidden inside. Once you've completed the blind stitch, it will look like this. Your thread will be completely hidden. Now go ahead and sew up the hole.